Techno update. Subscribe now.
The X30 does not follow the trend of all-screen design, and it sports more of a traditional look. A metal frame gives a little bit of a premium feel, but the plastic backplate lets you know this is a cheap phone after all. I really love a sharp and bright display despite its lower resolution, but the star of the show here is two dual camera setups. One is on the back and another is on the front. Unfortunately, the phone lacks LED notification light, the capacitive keys are not backlit, and there is no fingerprint scanner. You do get a replaceable battery, which becomes a rare feature these days. Finally, the loudspeaker is not so great and it starts crackling at the highest volume settings. The phone ships with an old MediaTek processor. You won't be able to play the latest 3D titles, but some older graphically intensive games work just fine on medium graphics settings. The phone runs Android 7, but we have Doodee skin built on top of it. Honestly, I don't like these built-in animations or the newsfeed feature that I keep turning on accidentally. On the other hand, I like a well-organized app tray and that you can customize the phone by changing themes. There is a classic set of gesture and motion controls that I don't really use, to be honest. The overall performance is decent. You may expect a little bit of stutter here and there, but nothing major. The overall image quality is not going to impress you, but I would say that the pictures look quite good for a sub $70 phone. That dual camera setup is just a joke since it draws a circle around the center of the image, just like most of these cheap Chinese phones. Naturally, the camera collapses in low light and selfies could look a lot better. Again, we have that fake bokeh effect which may look kind of cool on social media, but it depends on your taste. Video from the back and from the front camera look kind of poor, but this can be excused for the phone this cheap. As far as connectivity goes, I would rate the call quality above average and other connectivity options work fine. However, the phone does not have a gyroscope sensor, meaning that it is not compatible with VR headsets. Finally, the phone does not support 4G network, only the 3G. The battery life is pretty good on this phone. You should be able to use it for at least one full day or more, depending on how you use the device. However, the phone does not support fast charging and it may take way over 2 hours to fully charge it. The Doodee X30 is a phone designed for those who live on a budget or simply want to get a very cheap device. Overall, I think it offers a great value for the price, even though it's not a perfect smartphone. But what do you guys think about this phone? Drop me a comment down below, and also please like the video if you liked it, and please subscribe to the